In this video, I will show you how to see your Discord Nitro expiry date. First, launch open Discord on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now, tap on the profile icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Your profile will open. Here, find the option of Nitro. Go ahead and select that. If you don't find this option here, you can also tap on the settings option and then tap on Nitro. If you have an active Discord Nitro subscription, you will see your subscription detail on this page, including your renewal or expiration date. If your subscription is set to renew automatically, the renewal date is when your current Nitro period ends until you cancel it. If you have already cancelled, the page will show you the date your Nitro benefits will expire. If you don't see the Nitro section or don't have an active subscription, there won't be an expiry date to display. And that's how you can see your Discord Nitro expiry date. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.